can't get it down like that. I can't get it to 7 hours. I made it like way slower and way faster.
You should have just went.
Yeah.
So why you ain't done?
Okay, we got Big Nasty. Big Nasty. I thought he just lost.
No, he actually won.
Oh yeah, see, I knew I.
They checked the time up there. He broke out on the left side. That car wins every time, bro. It wins a perfect. Yeah, that's Tyler's.
Big Nasty 69, appreciate the host, man. Audit Tourist, appreciate the follow. Ugly ass Cody. Oh yeah, that white boy always lose me money. Man, ain't nothing I can do, man. We on AT&T. Let me see, Random Rob 120. Random Rob 120, got it.
Don't worry about it. Hey, Cortez, you made me cut my shag off, dog.
Oh, for real, we got Random Rob 120 in the building with Twisted Soul 412 and Jag DOA and Eric Shiesty.
I get tired of this.
I got some names in this thing. I might go and get me a shag, man. Make the back of my shag curly.
Oh yeah, you gonna shake it up, Cortez?
I might.
You gonna shag it up?
I was thinking about it.
I'm about to give you the advance with shag in the bag.
It look good, sound good.
Yeah, right.
Okay. He got some slicks on it. Look like he got that intake. I see it. Man, he done double bowled him. His home, what's the next out of town event? Next out of town event for me gonna be this Saturday, y'all. I'm gonna be in Memphis, Tennessee. I'm gonna be around Demonology and Dunk Master for the YouTubers call out. I think Home Depot broke, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned because I'm gonna be live. Memphis, Tennessee, Dunk Master, Demonology. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. Damn, I want the other side. Hey man, Bear, I got the other side. Oh damn, he already know. Hey, I got other side. I got this side, man.
Yeah, he's not going all out.
Oh, he ain't going all out. Don't tell nobody. I'm trying to get a bed. Okay. Let it eat. Okay, they saying turn it off. They saying turn it off. Turn it off, Canelo. Dang, man. What's the deal, Canelo?
What you wanna do, my nigga?
I want to bet. That's what I want to do. I got this side for 50.
Me too, man.
Oh, okay, you too. Dang.
Really, my nigga?
Everybody talking about Canelo. Look. Canelo, way. Damn, the legend Canelo.
Everybody can.
He said that nigga do look like Canelo. He kind of big too, like Canelo. I wonder if he can fight though. Probably can't do nothing. Team Thundercock with the, I don't know what he donating, but he been donating all night. I sure appreciate it. I'm finna swing at his ass and find out. Hey. Motherfucker. No, I saw him get his ass kicked when the big fight broke out. Who did Canelo fight last anyway? I ain't know that. My bad.
No, you're good, brother.
Billy Joe Saunders. Big swinging, you ain't seen them yams yet? Come on now, I know you ain't slacking like that. You better turn your 1080p on. Let it eat! There you go. Damn, he's leaking over here. Damn, he is leaking. Purge that a little bit more. Hold on, there you go.
That man leaking.
What is?
Leaking.
What's leaking?
Leaking, yes, leaking antifreeze.
Oh, it is? Oh, it's leaking antifreeze. My bad. They say he leaking antifreeze, y'all.